I am Raju Sharma in front of you. Now today we discuss about an important topic, electric motor. An electric motor is generally work in the principle of moment of force or torque as the rectangular loop, and we identify to the mathematical relation for the rectangular loop when any current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field. Now we stabilize the relation to identify the value of any current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field B in the term of as a rectangular loop. Let us consider a current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field B. When we observe the mathematical relation, sometime it is moved as the clockwise direction and sometime it is moved in anti-clockwise direction. To like this. O, A, B. We observe the relation of the torque. Tau is equal to vector F into D. What is the torque or the moment of force? When any object is moved around their own axis, that is known as the torque or moment of force. In our daily life, many examples of the torque to like as when any tap to be closed in the clockwise direction, that is the example of torque. If any tap is open in the anti-clockwise direction, that is also example of the moment of force or torque. Our door socket, when we open and close the door, then follow the property of moment of force or torque. In same manner, when any current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field B, then it will be moved in some time as the clockwise direction and sometime moved in anti-clockwise direction, and we identify to the mathematical relation in term of rectangular. First we discuss about the electric motor to like as the number of turns or wire is mounted at the armature, then the force is function at the body to like as F1, F2, F3 and F4. We know that the generally figure of the electric motor to like as that was the rectangular metallic structure to mounted with the laminated copper wire, and the current flow clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction to like as, and afterward it is connected from battery and key. Then two split ring X and Y is connected with the electric motor when the current flow is clockwise and anti-clockwise direction to like as a cylindrical rod. When the current flow in clockwise direction, then spherical curve X is open, then current moved in 50 cycle clockwise. In another term, when the current flow in anti-clockwise direction, then the spherical curve or split ring Y will be open, then it will be moved 50 cycle anti-clockwise. That is also we have as a circular ring, but it never will be possible. We know that the alternative current is always flow to like as the wave. An alternative current will be flow like as the wave 50 cycle clock and the 50 cycle anti-clock in same manner. That is also follow the property of electric motor. Because the principle of the electric motor, tau is equal to F into D, where F is equal to applied force for the current carrying conductor. Now the relation to be stabilized in this form, tau is equal to I and B, and we identify to the value of displacement in the given figure when the rectangular loop in the term of the current carrying conductor is moved in clock and anti-clock, then we identify to the value of given relation. To like as the component is B, that was the displacement between the O and A, and identify to the value of displacement with help of the given current carrying conductor. In triangle OAB, to like as sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then the component sin theta is equal to AB upon OA. That was the distance between the 2 point O and A. The value is given B. Then the component B sin theta is equal to AB, and it is also we have as the displacement for given component T. We put the value of D from the equation 2 to equation first. Tau is equal to ILB into B sin theta. We know that the relation area is equal to length into breadth. Therefore, L into B, and it will be changed into the form of capital A, IAB sin theta. That was the mathematical relation for the rectangular loop. When any current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field, then relation is stabilized, tau is equal to IA. We identify to the value of torque in term of the number of coil to be mounted at the armature, then our relation to be changed, and we can be easily write in this term tau is equal to NIAB sin theta, where N is equal to number of turn, I is current, capital A is the area, and capital B, that was generally magnetic field, and the theta to be found when the moved in the clock and anti-clockwise direction. That is a very important topic for the rectangular loop, and basically it will be function at the principle of electric motor. Okay students, that was the total concept of the how will be the magnetic field to be developed at the rectangular loop when it will be placed in the magnetic field. Okay, goodbye students. Now we meet you in our another video, another day. Until then, goodbye.